my second video in which I'm talking about the question based on section formula. So I'm ready with the new question here. The question is, find the ratio in which the line segment joining the points -3, 10 and 6, -8 is divided by the point -1, 6. So this is a similar question to previous. We have 2 points over here. Let me call this point as -3, 10 as A and 6, -8 as B. Now in between we have a point P and its coordinates are also given as -1, 6. Now in this question we don't have the ratio in which the point P is dividing the line segment joining this point A and B. So let me call this ratio as M1 ratio M2. So let us suppose that the line segment AB, let the ratio is M1 ratio M2, and now we can say that the point P is dividing the line segment AB in 2 parts, that is AP and PB, and clearly from this we can write AP upon PB is nothing but M1 upon M2. So this concept I am going to use here for calculation of the ratio, and clearly it's a question of section formula. Now when we look at the situation, हमको P के दोनों कोऑर्डिनेट्स पता है और x की वैल्यू -1 है और y की वैल्यू 6 है. x कोऑर्डिनेट इज -1 and the y coordinate is 6. So clearly we can say the point P in which the x coordinate is -1, it is the x coordinate which we can calculate by using section formula using ratio M1, M2 and AB. So let me call this point as x1, y1, as we know that the first point is taken as x1, y1 and the second point is taken as x2, y2. So by using section formula, here we can solve this very easily. The x coordinate of P, let me call this x is equals to m1 x2 plus m2 x1 upon m1 plus m2. This is the formula for x coordinate. Let me solve this for x coordinate first, then I will solve this for y coordinate. So let us substitute the values. X is equals to m1 and m2 are unknown here. So the value of x coordinate in this is -1 is equals to m1, we have to calculate x2, the x coordinate of second point is 6 plus m2, and the x coordinate of first point is -3 upon m1 plus m2. Now when we simplify this, what we are getting here, आप इसको सिंप्लीफाई करेंगे तो हमारे पास -1 मल्टीप्लाइड विद m1 प्लस m2 ऐसा आ जाएगा क्रॉस मल्टीप्लाई करने पर, and in this we are getting 6m1 minus 3m2. So this is 6m1 minus 3m2. Now when we multiply this minus inside, we are getting -m1 minus m2. This is equals to 6m1 minus 3m2. जब हम इसको m1 और m2 को अलग अलग साइड में करेंगे, जैसे मैं m2 को इधर लेके आ जाता हूँ, -m2 plus 3m2 and 6m1 is on RHS, so this is plus m1. जब आप इसको सोल्व करोगे तो ये आएगा 2m2 is equals to 7m1. क्लियरली हमको रेशियो m1 अपॉन m2 चाहिए, तो m2 कैन बी टेकन देयर, so 7m1 अपॉन m2. Now this 7 can be brought here, so 2 upon 7 is m1 upon m2. So the required ratio is m1 ratio m2 is nothing but 2:7. So this is what we are getting from solving the x coordinate only. The same can be done by using the y coordinate. So let me come to that. अगर हम इसकी जगह पर y coordinate लेंगे तो भी हमारे पास रेशियो सेम आएगा. So let me prove that the ratio will come same. So I am using the section formula for y coordinate here, that is m1 y2 plus m2 y1 upon m1 plus m2. So let me use this relation here. Now let us substitute the values known to us. So the y coordinate of point P is 6 here, so 6. m1 is unknown to us, m1 we want to calculate here. m1 y2 the x coordinate of second point is minus 8 plus m2 the x coordinate of first point is 10 is equals to here this is upon m1 plus m2 which is we want to calculate. Now when we look at this, the 6 is here, so when we cross multiply this, 6 will become this will come in multiplication with m1 plus m2 here, and here when we solve the numerator we get minus m1 plus 10 m2, so minus 8 m1 plus 10 m2. This is what we are getting. Multiply this 6 m1 plus 6 m2 is equals to minus 8 m1 plus 10 m2. So when we shift m1 and m2 to one side, it means suppose I bring this m1 here, so this will be plus 8 m1, and if I carry this to that side, this will be minus 6 m2. So when we solve this, we are getting here 17 m1 and here it is 4 m2. So when we want to calculate the ratio m1 upon m2, this will come out to be 4 upon 14, and it can be divided by 2, so that we get the ratio m1 upon m2 is 2 upon 7. So if we write in the form of ratio m1 m2, the ratio is 2:7. So clearly we can say the ratio for the y coordinate is also the same. So this proves that if we have to calculate the ratio, we can use any one of the x or y coordinate and solve for the ratio. Whatever answer we will get here, it can be applied for both. अगर आपको ये दो बार ना कैलकुलेट करना है, अगर हम चाहें कि हम दो बार इसको कैलकुलेट ना करें, तो हम इसको चेक कर सकते हैं. जैसे हमने सबसे पहले y कोऑर्डिनेट के लिए निकाल लिया, तो आप क्या करेंगे, x कोऑर्डिनेट के लिए रखकर आप इसको चेक कर लेंगे कि क्या x कोऑर्डिनेट सेम आ रहा है. आपने m1 m2 को 2 और 7 रख लिया, सपोज m1 और m2 को आपने 2 और 7 पुट किया, और अगर आप x कोऑर्डिनेट निकालें तो क्या आएगा, m1 is 2, x2 is 6 plus m2 is 7 and x1 is 3 minus 3 upon 2 plus 7. So let us solve this. If it come out to be minus 1, then this ratio is correct, otherwise it is wrong. So 2 6 it is 12 and minus 21 upon 9. So from here what we are getting, this is minus 9 upon 9, which is nothing but minus 1. So from here we can prove that there whatever ratio we are getting from solving the one coordinate either of x or y can be put in other coordinate to check whether the ratio is correct or not. So this is a really important question directly based on the section formula.